have a cough. When you have a cough, you often clear your throat with a loud sound. You may cough up phlegm, a sticky liquid. Or you may have a dry cough with no phlegm. A cough can keep you awake at night. It may also make your chest feel sore. A cough usually means your body is fighting an infection. You should drink warm water, eat light food, and get enough rest. Don't smoke. Stay away from smokers. Also, don't go to places with dust or cold wind.